Welcome to New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. I'm your host, Sue Pets, and I created New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast to share how you can transform your business from challenge to triumph. Yeah, my journey from zero sales to consistent daily revenue, and now without me being involved into my business, taught me that success is a decision. And now I empower entrepreneurs like you to break through barriers and build thriving businesses. Yeah, I have three steps wherever you want. You can join. For example, first one is Rapid Revenue Blueprint. It is a fast track for monetizing your digital products, combining AI and spiritual insights for quick and effective results. And I also give ready-made digital products if you don't want to create your own. When I got started, I was being told that you can see real money only after 3 years. I didn't like that. That's why this is the Rapid Revenue Blueprint where you can see money coming within 90 days. Then Passive Empire, where at some stage people want to minimize their time commitment into business and they want the money to be coming passively and automate your business, delegate your daily task, and just see with your minimum involvement how you can have consistent flow of income with ease. Lastly, infinite prosperity. Unlike all other businesses, here we are teaching you can achieve success in each and every area of your life. You can have success in all positive areas of your life, blending strategic action with spiritual growth. So my system of leveraging ready-made digital products and AI custom GPTs is designed for immediate impact. Follow my clear step-by-step instructions. Launch your digital business successfully without technical stress. All obstacles are removed. And how? We'll find out more through our podcast. So welcome and listen to again another great upcoming episode.
So if you're a creator, you know this feeling, right? You find this awesome tool. It does one thing perfectly. And then you start to grow. And suddenly that simple, perfect tool, it feels less like a helping hand and more like, well, a roadblock. Today, we're going to dive right into that exact moment, that breaking point. We're going to unpack why so many creators hit a wall where their email platform just isn't helping them grow anymore. In fact, it's actually holding them back.
And that feeling, it almost always leads to this question. You're juggling all these different services, paying a bunch of subscriptions, and you just kind of throw your hands up and go, is there seriously not something out there that's truly all-in-one? That's the core frustration we're going to get into, looking at what other creators have gone through. And to do that, let's start with a platform that I'm sure a lot of you know very, very well.
So first up, let's talk about a platform that many creators know and love, ConvertKit. It made this really powerful promise, but as creators' businesses start to grow and change, let's say a very specific problem starts to bubble up to the surface.
And this really just nails the whole creator journey, doesn't it? You jump on board with ConvertKit because, hey, it promises a simple, beautiful email platform. And you know what? It totally delivers on that. But the second you want to build a real business engine, with courses, sales funnels, digital products, you just slam right into that email-only wall. And then you're stuck bolting on other services, trying to make everything talk to each other, and all of a sudden you've got this clunky, expensive mess of a tech stack.
And listen, this isn't just some minor inconvenience. These email-only limitations, they create some real pain points that can seriously slow down your growth and just bleed your budget dry. Let's dig into a couple of the big ones.
Okay, first up, no sales funnels. I mean, a real funnel isn't just sending out one email, right? It's the whole customer journey. Think about it. Offering that little last-minute add-on when someone's checking out, or hitting them with a special upsell right after they buy. That's a core part of how marketing works today, and if you're on an email-only platform, well, it's pretty much impossible to do without grabbing yet another complex tool.
All right, and then what if you want to teach? This is a huge one for so many creators. You've done all this hard work building your audience with email, but then to actually host and sell your online course, you've got to go out, find, pay for, and then integrate a totally separate platform. It's such a huge disconnect for your customers.
And it's the exact same story if you want to sell other digital products, things like ebooks, templates, or even memberships. Every single one means adding another service to your toolkit. And just like that, your simple setup is now this tangled web of integrations and logins. Sound familiar?
On top of all that, you've got the pricing model just making everything worse. This per-subscriber pricing thing basically means that the more successful you are, the more you grow your list, the more you pay. And a lot of the time, you're not even getting a single new feature for that extra money. It honestly feels like you're being punished for your own success.
Okay, let's just look at the cold, hard cash for a second. At 10,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone for any creator, by the way, you are literally paying more than double for an email-only tool compared to an all-in-one platform. And get this, that $119 for ConvertKit, that doesn't even count what you're paying for your course platform or your funnel builder or anything else.
But, okay, the good news is there is a solution. A whole new category of platforms has popped up specifically to solve this exact problem for creators like you. So here are just a few of the big names in this space. And really, you've got options for whatever you need, from a super premium course platform like Kajabi to a really simple product seller like Podia. But for this explainer, we're going to zero in on the one that the source material points to as the best overall solution for all the problems we've been talking about. So let's talk about why System.ai.io seems to be the winner here. Why the source material singles it out as the answer for creators who've outgrown their email provider. I love this quote from the source material. It just frames it so perfectly. It says that System.ai.io is what ConvertKit tried to be. It's not just another competitor, it's the fulfillment of that original promise. This is a platform that was built from the ground up for creators who want to build an entire business, not just, a simple email list. So what does all-in-one actually mean in practice? Well, it means all those missing pieces we were just complaining about, the sales funnels, the course hosting, the digital product sales, they're all right here, in one place, designed to work together from day one. Seriously, every single checkmark on this list is basically a separate subscription you don't have to pay for anymore.
And here's the kicker. The price to get started and trial of this out, it's zero. Nada. System.io has a forever free plan, and this isn't some dinky little 14-day trial. It gives you real access to the whole platform, email, courses, landing pages, the works. So you can actually see if it's right for you without spending a single dime. Okay, so the platform sounds pretty great, I get it. But I know what you're thinking. The idea of moving your entire business, that feels pretty overwhelming, right? Let's actually break down what it takes to make the switch. It might not be as bad as you think. This is probably the number one fear, isn't it? Is there a steep learning curve? Because the last thing you need is to learn a whole new complicated system when you're already swamped just running your business. It's a totally valid concern. But here's the thing that's kind of wild. The answer from the source material is that it's actually easier. Because everything is designed to work together from the very beginning, it's way simpler than trying to duct tape 3 or 4 different services together. You've got one login, one dashboard, one system to learn. That's it. So check this out. This is what the switch actually looks like time-wise. We're not talking about weeks of painful work here. Creating your free account takes, 5 minutes? Exporting your email list is maybe 15 minutes? Okay, the main chunk of work is rebuilding your email sequences. But honestly, the tools are often so much better that it's faster than you'd expect. The big takeaway here is that in less than half a day, your entire business could be up and running on a platform that's more powerful and cheaper. So let's end this right back where we started, with one simple but really important question that every single creator should be asking themselves. Is your marketing platform scaling with you? Or is it scaling against you? If your tools are putting a ceiling on your growth instead of giving you a ladder, well, it might be time to find a platform that can actually keep up with your ambition. Thanks for watching.
Success stories from busy professionals just like you. As a full-time project manager and dad of 2, I was skeptical about fitting another business opportunity into my packed schedule. But this system was different. The ready-made products meant I didn't have to create content from scratch. And the step-by-step implementation meant I could make progress in 30-minute chunks after the kids went to bed. I launched my first digital course in 3 weeks of evenings and weekends, and made my first sales within a month. This is the first program that worked with my real life. James T., project manager and side hustle entrepreneur.
Hello, your journey continues. Thank you for tuning into New Beginning Inspiration for You podcast. We are blessed to have you in our community. I hope today's insights inspired you for your next breakthrough. So, any resources mentioned over here, just reach us through email and we will make them available to you. And if you want other free tools which are available on our website, you can ask for those free tools too. We will be happy to provide you those free tools. Those free tools can be for Rapid Revenue Blueprint or Passive Empire System. Please reach us out via email. Your journey to infinite prosperity begins now. And thanks for being part of our community. And if you want us to make any changes, please let us know. Or if you want any more topics to be covered, we will thrive to consider those topics into our upcoming podcast. We just like to serve our audience. That's our goal. So please like and review our podcast. Your input is very, very important. Thank you. And